Welcome back, kindergarten, to another CGI problem of the day. Before we jump into our problem, let's make sure we give you time to go get your materials if your teacher would like. So some materials you might use today are your cubes, your dry erase board, your dry erase marker, and of course, Seesaw. You're already on your iPad, so you'll be ready to go when it comes time for your exit ticket. However, your teacher may want you to get your other materials, so if you want to pause the video, go ahead and I'll be waiting. Welcome back. I have a fantastic story to share with you. So for problem of the day, there will always be a story and a problem, and we need to solve the problem. So who's ready to help me solve my friend Jayden's problem? You ready? Great. My friend Jayden from kindergarten last year went to the beach this summer. Raise your hand if you like the beach. Raise double hands if you got to go to the beach this summer. Great. Well, before he went to the beach, he already had rocks because he likes to collect rocks. Do you like to collect rocks? Do you like to paint on rocks? Great to hear. Jayden had 2 rocks before he went to the beach. When he went to the beach, he found 2 more rocks. So he had 2 rocks, and then he found 2 more rocks. Wow. How many rocks does he have now? Let's read the problem again. Jayden had 2 rocks. He found 2 more rocks. How many rocks does Jayden have now? Wow. Let's read it one more time. I want you to read it with me. Ready? Follow my red pointer. Jayden had 2 rocks. He found 2 more rocks. How many rocks does Jayden have now? Great. All right, if you think you're ready to retell this story to your teacher, go ahead and put your hand on your head, and your teachers are going to look out to see who's ready to retell this story. Your teacher's going to pause the video and really find out who is listening to the story and who can retell. I'm so excited to find out who was able to retell. I'll be waiting. Welcome back. You had so many Kipsters retell the story. I'm so excited. I'm going to read the problem one more time, and then it's going to be your turn to do some solving. Jayden had 2 rocks. He found 2 more rocks. How many rocks does Jayden have now? All right, before you go, you are going to be getting on the Seesaw when your teacher tells you. You are going to be doing your own problem of the day paper. You need to make sure you log into Seesaw, you add your response, and you're going to get to use all the tools to solve the problem. Jayden had 2 rocks. He found 2 more rocks. How many rocks does Jayden have now? In this space, you're going to draw how many rocks Jayden had, how many he found, and then you're going to write how many rocks does Jayden have now. All right. I hope that you are ready to roll. Your teacher will give you the expectation again. Have fun.